Jennifer here. Today we'll be talking about the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum from SomeByMi, which has been highly requested from our customers. And I really enjoy that. I can't wait for you to try it. And I can't wait for you guys to try it. Wait, I can't do that. Let's try it. It is an amazing serum though. I had a try of it. Different from the other SomeByMi product. It's red. It's good for skin brightening, scarring, damaged skin barrier. It's also really good for soothing, anti-aging, wrinkles, and acne scars. I'd say it's good for all skin types. It is especially good for those who have oily but dehydrated skin. And the ingredients sound really good. So with the ingredients in the Snail and Truecica, 890,000 ppm. With the snail, they actually use black snail mucin, most potent version of snail. It's not the actual snail. Really good for evening out skin tone, skin texture, acne, and acne scarring. Just because it is anti-inflammatory, other forms to help fade away scarring and pigmentation. And it actually helps to speed up the recovery. Moving on to the next ingredient, Truecica, also known as Centella asiatica. 1% helps with repair, strengthen your skin barrier, good for redness and irritation. The third ingredient, the natural form of BHA, willow bark water, which is really good for brightening, anti-aging, as well as acne-prone skin. But if you're allergic to aspirin, you do need to be careful. So the SomeByMi Snail Truecica, it contains naturally derived ingredients, sage extracts, which is really good for sensitive skin. The next ingredient is allantoin, really good for moisturizing as well as strengthening your skin barrier. Oh, and it actually comes with propolis, good for strengthening your skin barriers, rich in nutrients and antioxidants. So the serum sounds really good. Let's give it a try. So with the texture of this, it's not like your usual snail mucin. It's actually really light. It feels like a gel. It doesn't feel oily and it's not too sticky. It's very watery. It actually absorbs into your skin really nicely. So it feels really moisturizing too. With the smell of the Snail Truecica, actually it doesn't really have like a strong smell. How to use this product? You do actually have to use it just after your toner and just before your moisturizer. So what do you think about this product? Please leave a comment down below what you think, as well as like and subscribe. Until then, bye beauties, let's be pretty. You're so pretty. You can see yourself. Yeah, actually practiced all night last night. Oh, yeah. Oh, man.